Hey YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. You can hit like and subscribe button, it will work as a sort out for our team. Anyway, now let's get right into the video. So first news is basically related to one of the freejacking campaign. So basically a South African based threat actors known as Automated Libra has observed employ CAPTCHA bypass technique to create GitHub account in a programmatic fashion as a part of freejacking campaign dubbed as Purple Urchin. So the group primarily target the cloud platform, offering limited time trial of cloud resources in order to perform their crypto mining operations. So this was said by the Palo Alto Network 42 researchers William Gamenzo and Nathaniel Quest. So Purple UHN, who is the first came to light in October 2022, when SysDig discloses that the adversary created as many as 30 GitHub account and 2000 Heroku account and 900 Buddy account to scale its operation. So that's huge, and let's see. Now next news is related to VS Code. Most probably in your lifespan, if you're coder, if you're into the cybersecurity team, you have used VS Code. So which basically researchers have found it surprisingly easy to upload malicious Visual Code Studio extensions to VS Code Marketplace and discovered signs of threat actors already exploiting the weakness. So VS Code, which is called as Visual Studio Code, is an open source code which is published by Microsoft and used by roughly 70% of the professional software developer world. So this is such a shocking thing, and Microsoft has fixed it right now, but let's see if in future this thing is going to happen or not. Now next news related to Microsoft. So Microsoft released a temporary fix for a known issue impacting Windows apps using ODBC database connection after installing the November 2022 patch Tuesday update. So as the company revealed in December, which is affected apps might fail to connect to a database via connections using Microsoft ODBC SQL Server drive. So the known issue impact both client and server window platform for Windows 7 SP1 and Windows Server 2008 SP2 and up to the latest release Windows 11 and Windows Server 2022. Now next news related to Hive Ransomware. So Consultant Healthcare is a provider of senior healthcare services specializing in post-acute care. The Hive Ransomware gang this week added the company to its Tor leak site, threatening to publish the storage data. The gang states that the attack took place in December 3rd, 2022, and the attack was disclosed on January 6, 2023. That's huge. So I hope that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Please comment on feedback. You may subscribe because we are bringing hacking news on daily basis. So it's weekends, so enjoy your weekends and let us know what are the new content that we need to come up with. So at last, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.